Hello, and welcome to this quick start guide for the AWT424. The AWT424 is supplied as standard with documentation, blanking plugs, and wall mounting hardware. Alternative mounting hardware, cable glands, and I/O modules are supplied as specified when ordering. The unit in this demonstration has been specified with 2 dual EasyLink modules, an additional analog output module, and cable glands. For information on how to mount the instrument, please refer to the commissioning instructions. The dual EasyLink module features connections for 2 digital sensors and 2 digital I/O. The second module in this demonstration is an additional analog output module, which when added to the AWT424's 2 standard analog outputs creates a total of 4 outputs. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fit the dual EasyLink and additional analog output modules. First, open the door and remove the terminal cover. To fit the dual EasyLink module, first fit the adapter supplied to one of the larger cable entry holes. Then pass the connector cable through the adapter. Next, pass the anti-rotation washer down the cable, positioning the flat edge against the back of the transmitter. Finally, pass the lock nut down the cable and tighten. An adapter is not required to fit an EasyLink connector to a small cable entry hole. When installing the thread alignment washer, ensure that its alignment tab is face down and correctly aligned with the notch in the gland plate. A lock nut is again used to secure the cable in place. Finally, insert the dual EasyLink module and connect both sensor cables to it. The additional analog output module fits into the communications slot. For further information regarding the installation of EasyLink connectors, please see the operating instructions. To make power connections, identify the power terminals on the right-hand side of the terminal block and insert the cables into the spring-loaded terminals. Terminals for the analog outputs can be found on the main board and analog output module. Once wiring is complete, refit the terminal cover and close the door. In this demonstration, pH and dissolved oxygen sensors are being connected. When the transmitter is powered up, the sensors will automatically be detected and you will be prompted to complete the easy setup process. Scroll through the parameters, adjusting as necessary. Once the first sensor has been configured, repeat easy setup for the second sensor. To set up the analog outputs, enter configuration mode and navigate to input/output. First, select the output to configure, then select the source and adjust the range parameters as necessary. Thank you for watching this quick start guide. For more information on the AWT424, please visit www.abb.com/water analysis.